Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama come about Sandy Home Recipe. Sinde di kan a wohwe me video a. Mema we subscribe. Na wa share. Nwesuya se be jollof stew. Me stew na me taste and it tastes really nice. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Wokọ description box na ingredients na wo. Yes, start it. With the pepper, onion, tomato, bell pepper, spring onion, ginger, garlic, rosemary, anise. Now they akweshe oven mu. Uri she oven mu wie na mra na wayi. Uri anu wa blend ni nyina together. U blend we dey si nchen. Na the saucepan esi ja so. U de anwa eden egu mu. Uri ana the mix spices egu mu. Watch mo kakra sa na u de chop onion aka ho. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Uria now the tomato paste egumu. Then also watch mo kakra ansa na what the other ingredients na eden aka ho. Watch tomato paste mo awie na wo de sa tomato mixture na o blend so o de egumu. Then also watch mo. Udi enso kakra ye de aka ho na waje sisukwa my pepe. But then bia wo ho anu anu mu se de enhye. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Aka akrama na be no. Now they will salt egumu, still spices, season key by optional on fire the enka ho. One mixing it together and what's just jano so by say a jano ulo no kra. No fish na be use now there the egum we ye tonno. Obetime use mackerel. Me pamacho se ndi kan a wo hwe me video a. Me ma rem so subscribe. Na wa share. Na wa like. No emia notification bell no. Se me the video bia beto wa won sa beka. Me yes I still na me taste it. It tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now you're ready. Now what try? Now that your jollof no. Now this is our jollof stew recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.